Hello fellow adventurers, Sushi here. I know it's been a while. I took a break from making adventure videos while my leg was broken and it became winter then. So here we are back at it again. Today at Drakes Creek? Drakes Creek, yeah, that's it. With an S for some reason. But anyway, nothing too exciting, but we'll see what we find. Getting in here was a bit of adventure in itself. There's about 3 miles on this really narrow stone road. And that was a little bit sketchy because over to the left here, there's just this like nice little drop off with the stream down there. There was some really beautiful spots with like little waterfalls and stuff. And there was these 2 like really rickety bridges. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any video of it because there was nowhere to park on the side of the road because there was no side of the road. It was literally just the road, if you even want to call this a road. Conveniently enough, there's actually stairs that come right off the parking lot. They use this place for launching like whitewater rafting. Check out this cool contraption they have for getting the rafts down. Just a mashup of boards and plastic pipe so they can just slide them down with ease. That's a good idea. And then right next to this beautiful creek, there's this awesome old train tunnel or bridge. I guess technically it's a bridge, but since I'm going underneath it, it's a tunnel. That's a good question. What's the difference between a bridge and a tunnel? It's incredible that like people built this stuff like 100 years ago. I mean, I guess they literally just threw people at it. But could you imagine taking all of these stones, having to dig them out of the ground wherever the heck they were at, shape them, and then stack them? All while being in like the middle of the wilderness. Here comes the first challenge. They get the rafts down here, and we're down here, but how the heck do you get down to the river? Oh, sure, that's a walkway, right? Let's see if I can do this without falling in the water. All right, a little bit of rock climbing here. Holy hell. Whoa, holy fuck, a snake. That little bastard scared the hell out of me. And there's rattlesnakes up here. It was just a baby snake, only about 2 feet long or so. But I'm pretty sure it was a baby rattlesnake, so a little bit paranoid now, but it's fine. I just gotta be on high alert. This is where Drakes Creek meets the Lehigh River. In the beautiful Lehigh Gorge. All right, I think we're gonna need to walk through some water here, or go across that. And watch out for snakes at the same time. Does anybody know if snakes can swim? I mean, I know some snakes can swim, but what about rattlesnakes? Do they care for it? Because I'm on a little stone pile, so I would think I'm safe here, right? And I'm going that way. We should be all right. This water is surprisingly cold. All right, another question for you guys. Does this count as a waterfall? I think yes. Big, beautiful rock right next to the river. Do you guys see any snakes? I don't see any snakes. That's good. There's a beautiful view here. Well, we found one waterfall. So who's to say we're not going to find another one if we go up the stream? So that's what we'll do. Back through Danger Noodle Tunnel. I wish you guys could feel the cool breeze that is coming through this tunnel. It's about 82, 83 degrees Fahrenheit here, but I would say that next to this water, it's got to be in the mid 70s. Absolutely gorgeous on a warm day. All right, I think we're gonna go up here. Whoa! And then see if we can access the creek up a little bit. Oh, wow. I'm so glad that I went this way. Check this out. Holy heck. Oh, what is this? It's like a channel or something. Not like a TV channel. Like a water channel. Huh. There's a like second elevation. Huh. Let's go around this way and see what we can see up top. Okay. Up top, I don't really see anything that indicates what it is. The Delaware and Lehigh River, we're at the Lehigh River, well, there is a lot of canals and stuff, so I'm assuming that this had something to do with the canal, but I really don't know. Oh, let's keep on keeping on. See where this takes us. Well, apparently people have been here before because here's someone campsite. Ooh, and what is this? Is this the signs of another waterfall? I think it might be. Okay, not really. It's beautiful though. I'm kind of thirsty. You totally drink this water. That's the good stuff right there. You know, I should probably carry one of those like collapsible cups with me, because this is not the first time I've done this. You know, the natural spring water, man, it's right here. I mean, just without the filters and chemical testing to make sure there's nothing in there that'll kill you. It's all right. So much for crossing that log. There's this like thick rhododendron here. So yeah, we're gonna have to turn back around. So we're gonna walk back across this log again. Let's see if I can do it without falling. Oh shoot. Okay. Hey, we made it. Found a place to cram my truck off the road, so that way I could show you this like little tiny bridge that I had to cross. And waterfall! Yeah! Woo woo! Look at that. Not one, but two waterfalls. And three if you count that little dinky one right there. This is a beautiful surprise waterfall. Wasn't expecting to see a waterfall today, so this one definitely makes my day. Well, thanks for joining me today on this mostly snake-free adventure. Just a little one that almost made me poo my pants. Remember, life's an adventure. Keep on keeping on. Hopefully there's no swimming snakes in here. I don't think the ant likes being filmed. Oh, there you go. Ooh. Go back this way. Are you lost, buddy?